Hi and welcome back to Stellar Surfaces. In this video we want to demonstrate the various levels of finish so you can select the best fit for your project. Here we have a matte finish with low sheen. It's very low reflectivity and it is a complete, as the name suggests, matte finish. Then we're moving forward to a standard grind and seal. In some grind and seals you can have a light to medium sheen. Moving along to our second tier, we have what's called a Dura Polish. This has a lower or matte sheen and it can have some levels of reflectivity. Higher reflectivity than what you just saw in the previous service, but as you can see, this begins to elevate the level of finish that's available. Moving along to our next tier of premium polish. This now starts to bring about much more reflective products. In this particular first floor, you can see here that there's stain included. Others will be just with no stain. It comes down to personal preference, but you'll see that the colors of reflection become more apparent and that the sheen becomes higher with a much higher reflectivity. This is also fantastic for reflectivity of increasing light reflection. Moving along now to our platinum finish, you'll now see our highest tier of polish with an incredibly high color and image reflection being mirrored. It has a much higher sheen reflective, and you can see there that the floor just starts to look like a piece of glass. This can also be done with stain or without stain once again. Once you have one of these floors in place, it's really important to consider the Polished Concrete Maintenance Program. It's a phenomenal service that we offer that as long as you're having maintenance carried out once every 12 months after the initial service, we will never change the price, and it extends the warranty on the floor finish for another 12 months. This greatly extends almost indefinitely the life of your floor and the durability of your floor. So if this has been of interest to you, if this has been something that has been helpful, please press a like or throw a comment, or contact one of our knowledgeable sales staff after you finish watching this video, and we would love to be able to help you further. Thanks again for watching.